I'm back again. Welcome back to my channel. Another video to expose myself, another video to expose my past. So now, nginge nganixoxela about indaba yokuthi I dream having sex in my dreams with people engabazi, and then when I exposed that, it stopped. And then now kune scenario ke eyenzeka this other day when I was going to Greenstone Mall. There was a guy that I met, and I don't know the guy. In fact, the Greenstone one is the second time I met him. The first one ngangibuye saloon. When I came from saloon, the guy just said to me, let's just have sex. I was like, ngaphelelwa ngamandla noma mangise ngimphendula couldn't fight with confidence. Yeah. So ngenzani ngamane ngamphendula sengikudenyana ngathi phuma kimi Satan, something like that. The second time I met the guy near Greenstone, mangidibana naye Greenstone, this time he never allowed me to speak. He tried to not allow me to speak with angivimba ukuthi ngingasho any word. So wathi kimi, let's just have sex. Yabo. So ngisathi mangifuna ukuphendula angathi ufuna ukungivala nomlomo. Hayi phesana ngiqhubeke ngihambe ngingasho. Then mase ngingokhile kancane ngathi inkinga ekimina lana. What's the problem then? Yeah. And then at that time I received a video call. I once shared these things, but now ngifuna ukuqala lapho. At that time I received a video call from a number outside of South Africa, and when I tried to check, that number is even outside the continent. Yeah, by the time I checked, I can't remember which country was that, but it was outside the continent. So that video call, it had a man masturbating. So I didn't see his face, but I only saw his private part. I only saw his penis. So and then the other incident, I don't know what is it about indaba yocansi, dreaming sleeping with abantu engabazi. Number 2, meeting a guy that I don't know wanting to sleep with me, offering to sleep with me. And number 3, a video call doing masturbation. I don't know what is it about sex. And also my videos I'm also shared before indaba yokuphupha ngilala nabantu engabazi. I also shared ukuthi I was sexually active at the age of 10. I was sexually active, though in the first video I actually made a mistake in ukuthi be mangiqala expose kwezinye izinto bengazi ukuthi ngithini, what is it. So I said ngadlwengulwa or angidlwengulwanga, and then when I realized ukuthi no, I was sexually active at the age of 10, wasn't raped, because this thing I continued doing it. So now I don't know, I can't remember very well, but I think it is this year 2025. I was coming from somewhere, so on my way khona umuntu engangihamba naye sibesixoxa. Yeah, masixoxa, there was a guy, he passes us, and then when he's maybe, let me just say 50 feet away from us, maybe ngisho 50 meters, 50 feet away from us, asho athi, uyabona wena ngizokubhebha. As I'm sorry guys, I have to mention things as they are, because I'm worried. I want to get out of these spiritual things. As no my spiritual things or izinto engayivumela mina ukuthi zingene empilweni yami, they are tormenting me. So I have to mention things as they are. So asho athi ngizokubhebha. Hayibo, hey, isengiphatha nangamahloni umuntu engihamba naye, but manje ngiphathwa ngamahloni, angikho sure ukuthi is he directing it to me. At that time ngifeel as if uhlanya nje uyakhuluma, hayi. But mase ngicabanga, mase ngifike ekhaya, it's no, that person was saying it to me. And why? And uyalwa at that time, he's fighting. Ngizokubhebha wena, hayibona into esiyikhulumayo ayihlangene nayo. Why then is this guy saying this to me? And I'm not wearing a miniskirt. Let me tell you, even that guy engahlana naye Greenstone, ngibuye salon, I was not wearing a miniskirt. The guy that called me in a video called NC Masturbation, I am not into those things zokuthumela ama nudes mina, or ukuthi ama sites advertise nje, umuntu advertise nje porn, something like that. I am not on those sites whereby I advertise myself with any man who feels ukuthi I want sex, I'm around. No, I am not on those sites. But I had to receive those videos. I had to come across to umuntu asho kanjalo. So I don't know. And I'll keep on exposing, even if my escalator ngalendlela escalator ngakhona, when that guy said to me ngizokubhebha. I don't know why, but I'll keep on exposing. If the fight goes up, I'll go up also. Ngiyeza like social media and expose until I learn what is it. Njengoba bengisho ukuthi what's this? Bengisho ukuthi on my other videos about abortion. The more I learn, the more I come and also expose. The more I remember, and the more also I come and expose. Thank you so much for watching ama videos wami. Kuyangikhuthaza ukuthi ngibuke ama videos wami. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll keep on bringing more videos or expose past yami, even my present, because the incident yamanje is present. So I just want to know what's going on. Is there an altar in against me about sex now? Is it because I was sexually active at the age of 10 that I'm being followed by a sexual spirit or sex? I don't know. What is it? Yeah, or what is it inside of me that attracts those people? What is it? And I'm that kind of a person who doesn't wear miniskirts. You will hardly see my knee. But I'm wondering why all those things, they're attracted in me. Why are they attracted in me? What is it that is in me that attracts about sex? What is it about sex in me that attracts sex? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.